Welcome back to SMK Entertainment. Today we're diving into 25 fascinating facts that are so mind-bending, they'll make you question everything about life itself. From the mysteries of the universe to the quirks of human nature, these facts will leave you astonished and eager to learn more. So sit back, relax, and get ready to have your mind blown. Whether you're a trivia buff or just curious about the world, there's something here for everyone. Let's embark on this incredible journey of discovery together. Are you ready? Let's begin. You were once the youngest person on Earth. For a split second, the moment you were born, you were the youngest human alive. Octopuses have 3 hearts, 2 pump blood to the gills, and 1 to the rest of the body. Interestingly, when they swim, the main heart actually stops beating. Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. Botanically speaking, strawberries don't qualify as berries because their seeds are on the outside, but bananas and even watermelons do. Bananas develop from a flower with a single ovary, making them true berries. Your body replaces itself every 7 to 10 years. This process is called cellular turnover. At the cellular level, you're constantly being rebuilt. Every cell in your body is replaced over time. You're not the same person you were a decade ago, literally. Your skin cells, for example, renew every 2 to 3 weeks. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth. Think about that. The observable universe contains an estimated 100 billion galaxies. Billions upon billions of stars, with each galaxy containing millions or even billions of stars, most of which we'll never see. The sheer scale of the universe is mind-boggling, and yet we are just a tiny part of this vast cosmos. The universe is so immense, it's almost beyond comprehension. Every time you look up at the night sky, remember that you're looking at just a fraction of what's out there. The universe is a vast, mysterious place full of wonders we have yet to discover. Dreams only last seconds. Even the most vivid, epic dreams happen in mere seconds before you wake up. Dreams occur during the REM stage of sleep, which is the final stage in the sleep cycle. This stage can last from a few minutes to an hour, but the dreams themselves are fleeting. Humans share 60% of their DNA with bananas. This surprising fact highlights the common genetic heritage of all living organisms. Despite the vast differences in appearance and function, the basic building blocks of life are remarkably similar. We're not that different after all. Well, genetically speaking. This shared DNA is a testament to the evolutionary processes that have shaped life on Earth over billions of years. Sharks are older than trees. These ancient predators have been swimming in our oceans for over 400 million years, predating the first trees by about 50 million years. Sharks have been around for over 400 million years. Their resilience and adaptability have allowed them to survive multiple mass extinctions that wiped out many other species. Trees? Only 350 million. The first trees appeared during the Devonian period, transforming the planet's landscape and atmosphere. You can't remember the beginning of your life. This phenomenon, known as childhood amnesia, occurs because the hippocampus, the part of the brain responsible for forming memories, is not fully developed in infants. That's because your brain hadn't developed memory yet. It's called childhood amnesia. Most people can't recall events from the first 3 to 4 years of life, although some fragments of early memories may persist. There's a planet made entirely of diamonds. This exoplanet, known as 55 Cancri E, is located about 40 light-years away in the constellation of Cancer. Called 55 Cancri E, it's twice the size of Earth and possibly worth quadrillions in diamonds. The planet's surface is believed to be covered in graphite and diamond, making it a fascinating subject for astronomers and treasure hunters alike. Time is relative. Einstein's theory of relativity shows that time can speed up or slow down depending on how fast you're moving compared to something else. This means that astronauts traveling at high speeds in space age more slowly than people on Earth. This phenomenon, known as time dilation, has been proven by experiments with atomic clocks on airplanes and satellites. It's a mind-bending concept that challenges our everyday understanding of time. You see yourself differently than everyone else does. What you see in the mirror is reversed and influenced by self-perception. You may never know how you really look. This is because our brains process our own reflections differently than how others see us. The mirror image is a reversed version of ourselves, and our self-perception adds another layer of distortion. This phenomenon is known as the mirror exposure effect, where we tend to prefer our mirror image over our true image. A day on Venus is longer than its year. It rotates so slowly that a single day is longer than an entire Venusian year. Venus takes about 243 Earth days to complete one rotation on its axis, but it only takes about 225 Earth days to complete one orbit around the Sun. This means that a day on Venus from one sunrise to the next lasts longer than a year on Venus. Your brain can trick you into seeing ghosts. Sleep paralysis, stress, and low-frequency sound waves can create ghost experiences in the mind. During sleep paralysis, you might wake up but be unable to move, and this can lead to hallucinations of ghostly figures. Stress can also heighten your senses and make you more susceptible to seeing things that aren't there. Additionally, low-frequency sound waves, known as infrasound, can cause feelings of unease and even visual hallucinations. You're always living in the past. Because of processing delays in the brain, you're actually experiencing things 80 milliseconds after they happen. This delay is due to the time it takes for your brain to process sensory information and make sense of it. While this might seem like a short amount of time, it means that everything you perceive is slightly in the past. The air you breathe might be dinosaur air. Molecules in our atmosphere are recycled. You could be inhaling the same air once breathed by a T-Rex. The Earth's atmosphere has been recycling air for millions of years. When dinosaurs roamed the Earth, they breathed the same air that we do today. The molecules in the air are constantly being reused, so it's possible that some of the air you breathe was once inhaled by a T-Rex. Nostalgia can make you feel warmer. Studies have shown that thinking about past memories can actually make you feel physically warmer. This is because nostalgia triggers a sense of comfort and emotional warmth, which can translate to a physical sensation of warmth. Experiencing awe can expand your perception of time. When you experience awe, such as looking at a beautiful sunset or a vast landscape, it can make you feel like time is slowing down. This is because awe expands your perception of time, making you feel more present and mindful of the moment. You have more bacteria in your body than human cells. There are trillions of microbes living inside you. You're more bacteria than human. In fact, the human microbiome is a complex ecosystem that plays a crucial role in your health, aiding in digestion, immune function, and even influencing your mood and behavior. There's a species of jellyfish that's immortal. The Turritopsis dohrnii can revert back to its polyp stage, essentially living forever, unless killed. This unique ability has earned it the nickname, the immortal jellyfish. Your brain uses more energy than any other organ. It only takes up 2% of your weight but consumes over 20% of your body's energy. This high energy consumption is due to the brain's complex functions, including processing information, maintaining homeostasis, and controlling bodily functions. There's no such thing as now in physics. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time is relative, and the concept of now doesn't exist universally. This means that what you perceive as the present moment is different for someone moving at a different speed or in a different gravitational field. Your stomach gets a new lining every few days, otherwise it would digest itself due to its strong acids. The stomach lining is constantly renewed to protect the stomach walls from the corrosive effects of gastric acid, which is strong enough to dissolve metal. A single lightning bolt contains enough energy to toast 100,000 slices of bread. If only we could harness that power for breakfast. Imagine the possibilities. You can fit all the planets between Earth and the Moon, and still have room to spare. The distance is about 384,400 kilometers. Space is really, really empty. In fact, it's mostly a vacuum. You might be living in a simulation. Some physicists and tech leaders believe it's statistically more likely we're in a simulation than not. This theory is known as the simulation hypothesis. Your bones are stronger than steel. By weight, bone is 5 times stronger than steel, but more brittle. This is due to its composite structure of collagen and hydroxyapatite. The universe might have no end. It could be infinite, or loop around like a giant cosmic Pac-Man. We might never know. The shape and extent of the universe remain one of the greatest mysteries in cosmology. Mind blown yet? These 25 facts are just the tip of the iceberg. Life is full of strange, wonderful, and terrifying mysteries. Which one shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos that will twist your brain and expand your mind. Until next time, keep questioning everything. Share this video with your friends and family to spread the mind-bending fun. Who knows, you might just blow someone else's mind too. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.